Hi, my name is Evan and I'm from the Micro Center Tech Support Department. Today we're going to talk about how to adjust the keyboard layout within Windows 7. This is something that could be useful if you need to type in a different language or just use another English keyboard layout. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to change the keyboard layout within Windows 7.
Okay, let's take a look here at how to change the keyboard layout in Windows 7. This could be useful, again, if you have another language to type in, or if you needed to change it to another English language layout. Let's go ahead and begin by clicking on the Start button in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then choosing the Control Panel icon on the right side. Once this opens up, check the View By section in the top right and make sure it is set to View By category. If not, go ahead and check that from the drop-down box so we're on the same page here. Once on this page, underneath the Clock, Language, and Region section, click on Change Keyboards or Other Input Methods. On this new window, go ahead and click on the Change Keyboards button. Once this opens up, check the list of installed services to see if the keyboard you're looking for is already on the list. If it is not on the list, click on the Add button on the right side to add the keyboard. Once on this screen, go ahead and locate the language you wish to add to the system. In this case, we will choose the Swedish language. Click on the plus sign next to the language and then choose the plus sign next to keyboard. Then check the language itself under the keyboard section. Once finished, click on the OK button in the top right. You will now see the keyboard listed under the Installed Services menu. In order to change it as a default, check under the Default Input Language box. Once that box is open, you can click on the language to set it as the default. Another option is the language bar. You can click on the language bar tab up across the top and set it to either floating on the desktop or docked in the taskbar. Once that's set, you can hit apply in the bottom right. Once that is applied, you will see an icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Initially, it should say EN for English or whatever your default input language is. You can change it to, in this case, SV for Svenska, which is the native term for Swedish. Once that is set, you're now able to type in the language of your choice. So that's how to add or change a keyboard layout within Windows 7. If you have any additional questions or need more information, go ahead and visit our website at www.microcentertech.com. Thanks again for joining us.